Okay, 6 o'clock in the morning. Sun's just starting to come up. Marvy's gonna go get some frogs with us. You excited?
Yep.
Yeah, so follow us on the adventure this morning of catching some bullfrogs. Jackson has to stay here. He's not very happy. He's not very happy. But the sun's coming up, so we're gonna head on down to the lake. Come on down.
Okay, let's go.
Marvy sees a frog. He's right there. Pull on it. Pull him. You got him. Pull him up. Pull him up. Pull him up. Over here. Don't take him. Oh, he's not bad. Not bad. All right. Kind of fun, huh? Watch my rod. Come over here. There you go. All right.
Oh my goodness. Hello, Froggy. Good morning.
You just grab him right around the body.
Oh my goodness. She throw everything.
There you go. Grab him all the way around the body. There you go. Just grab him all the way. Here. Hold him up. You just grab him like this, just like that. He's all soft and warm and gushy.
I'm cheeky with this.
All right, so do it again.
No.
Yeah, go on, grab him. Just grab him. Come on, honey. He's just like a little soft pillow, a little green soft.
Oh, no.
Just grab under his arm. Just grab him like that. Don't grab him with 2 fingers. There you go. All right. And put him in the pocket. Don't let him hop out. Hold him tight till he's all the way in there. All right. Hey. Your first froggy. Yeah, she didn't go ooh when she was eating them. All right, now she's hooked. She's out there to get another one. Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick message to you in the middle of this video. Some of our supporters and people who have subscribed to our channel have asked us about how do we go from catching the fish to get it on the plate. In other words, how do you clean them? How do you fillet them? And like with the frogs, how do you skin them, etc. I didn't want to put it on this main video because some people have no taste for that. And you can actually YouTube it and see it just about anywhere. But I did video and film the actual cleaning and filleting of the fish, and also the killing and skinning of the frogs. So if that is of interest to you, go to the links at the below our video. It's clearly marked, but do not watch those and then write a message saying how horrible and disturbing it is. It's just part of life. So I warn you, do not follow that link unless you are curious and interested in how we prepare this food. And on the final note, I'm not an expert at it. I've just done it really a long time. Doesn't mean I'm any good at filleting fish, but this is how I do it. And so I hope you enjoy that. Okay, back to the show. Aha! Now that's a bullfrog.
That is cool. Oh, God. What is it?
All right. Marvy's got to get her picture. Hey, put your foot down. That's gross. All right, so we got another one. So you just grab him like that. He's a big guy. This is a big guy. All right, so I gotta make sure, buddy. I know. You're not really happy with this. Here, could you take my rod while I put him in the bag? All right, good frog. Good froggy. Okay. Oh, perfect. Good damn, put it right in front of his nose. Pull him up, pull him up, pull him up. Get him over. Oh, you got a bass. No, we don't want the bass.
Yes.
No, he's too small.
Yes.
No bass.
See that?
All right, I think we got a really big one here. Marvy's over there. But there's a big guy here. He's a good one. No more jumping. That's a good guy right there. You caught a frog. No, that's a bass. Oh, a catfish and a frog. You caught a catfish and a frog.
This is a fun frog. Here's my catfish.
All right, so we're gonna have a feast today. And Marvy's got another frog. All right, good. Come on over.
Good snack.
Yeah, now you don't let him get off that hook, and then he's a goner. He knows which way the lake is. I know, I gotta put the camera down. Oh, you hold him to me because you want me to clean him. Okay, or at least grab him. Marvy doesn't like grabbing him, do you? Not especially. All right, let me turn the camera off. That's a good 14, 15 inch bass. We will keep that one, yeah. All right, maybe. No, he's not too big. Let him go. Good, he came off the hook anyway. What's up with my hook? I think, I'm using this weedless, and I just don't think it's hooking them because I've got too much rubber, ouch, on that weed. So maybe I'll just try it without the weed and just try to hook them pretty accurately. So what happens when you get your hand stuck to the needle or the hook? You get a little bloody here. So, and if I wipe it on my pants, Marvy's gonna have a fit. All right, successful day. Let's go and open the bag and see what we have. So we might go back to this shelter, but I think there's one back there, a little bit more private. It's Sunday, so there's gonna be a lot of people here later after church. Here we go. All right, so we had the everything on the grill right now, the frog legs and Marvy's bass and catfish. But if you remember, after I filleted mine, I have these two nice fillets. Now, I also have this really great rub or fish fry, and it's called Twisted Q. Cajun rub, and you can use it on meat or fish. And it's really inexpensive. It's like half the price of a lot of the name brand ones. So if you get Twisted Q, it's really decent stuff. And a whole box, like 6 of these packages, it's like $1.79. No, they're not sponsoring me. So I'm just gonna dump all of that right into this bowl here. It's a lot, probably throw most of it away. And then I'm just going to rub the rub into the fish. And then I'm actually gonna pan fry this. Again, I don't like fish on the bone, not too much. And then we just add the bass. Looks pretty good, I think. So we got all of our frogs that we saw that we caught this morning here. We got the catfish that Marvy caught and the small bass that Marvy caught. So they're all been marinating in some olive oil and garlic and salt and pepper. And then when her fish is done, that'll be it. She'll just put lemon juice on it or lime juice on it. I'm actually, when these frog legs are done, this is how we had them last time. But this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to grill them up, put them in a bowl, and put a little barbecue sauce on them, then finish them back on the grill. All right, well, we're all ready to eat. Marvy has her catfish, and what's that?
Bass.
Uh-huh. And we got a mess of bullfrogs, barbecued.
Yeah, look at that.
Coated them with a little barbecue sauce. And I have...
That's yummy. It's a chicken.
It's, Jackson, you need to
Chicken
sit
leg.
And then I have the frog legs also, but I took the fillet of the bass I caught and then I seasoned it with like a blackened rub, and then I made blackened fillet of bass and then potato salad. So that's it. I hope you guys didn't have a tough time watching us catch these frogs, but they really, really, really are delicious.
Yes, I like it.
Yeah, basically
Yes,
they're
very
like chicken
good.
wings. Very, very good.
Actually, I caught 3 or 4.
No, I think you caught
Okay.
at least half of them, yeah. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And as I said in the beginning, if you really want to see the processing of it, there's a link down below. This is van life. This is roughing it. It's not as bad as people think. Sometimes it is, but days like this are real rewarding. So be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and tell your friends about us, and we'll see you down the road.
Okay. Thank you for watching.